erect, सीधा होता है. This is called samabhang. Now from sama we will go to abhang. Abhang means जब आपकी body weight एक पैर में shift हो जाएगा पूरा. Abhang. See, one leg is completely free. The entire body weight is only on one leg and body is tilted, carved. ठीक है? Now from sama abhang we will go to chop. Back to sama. Now open your chalk. Those who have seen Lord Jagannath, you can remember how his statue looks. So this is how our Jagannath Dev looks, and this is the main stance of Odissi dance. Our Odissi dance is basically inspired from Lord Jagannath's posture. So this is called chalk or squat position. Remember the name? This is called chalk or squat position. So the knee and toes are out. The elbow and shoulder are in same line, and from elbow till middle finger should be in a straight line.
90 degrees.
Yeah, 90 degrees. Now from chalk we will go to Tribhang, three bend posture.
Wow.
See the posture. First bend is the neck, second bend is the torso, third bend is the knee. So if I draw a zigzag line, if I draw a zigzag line, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Super.
It completely goes like this. Three bend posture. Tribhangi. Release. So now when we dancers come to class, basically to learn these last two stances, chalk and Tribhangi, takes the most of the time. क्योंकि ये दोनों स्टांस जो posture है वो इतना आसान नहीं है. आप लोगों को मैं करवाऊंगा, आपको समझ में आएगा. And then we learn 10 different steps like the chauka steps you have seen. In chauka, number 1 to 10 different steps. The steps are designed according to the number. Like number 1 has only one step, number 2 has 2 steps, 3 has 3 steps. Like this till number 10 there will be 10 steps. Similarly in Tribhangi, 1 to 10. So total 10 plus 10, 20 steps. Along with that there are so many other steps also. But when a dancer comes to an Odissi class, these are the main criteria. We start teaching them first these main 4 stances and those 10 steps, which takes almost 2 years. Almost 2 years to actually master those steps. You will understand. We will show you. First, we will show them number 2.